Hello and good morning. Let's take a look here. Um, I think we pretty much did everything we're going to do in chapter 2. We might double back. Let's take a look here. This right here seems to be decreasing. You see how the number becomes more negative? And by the way, we're in week 6, so write that down. And today is the 19th, so put 9/19. Okay? So you do have a test coming up this weekend. This right here, you're going to take the second number, -9, minus the first number, minus the first number, which happens to be a negative. That becomes a plus. So the common difference is a -2. And you can see that the next number would be a -15. All right, so anyhow, you have the common difference. So now you got to figure out the formula. Remember that a to the n is equal to a to the 1, and then you have to do the rest of it, which is plus the difference and then n minus 1. Okay, so to do that, a to the 1 is -7, so that's going to be -7 plus, actually in this case it's -2 is the common difference. So put a -2 right there, which is your d value, and then n minus 1, you'd have to know how many you want out of this. So if it was a to the 50, then you're going to go ahead and do 50 minus 1. And that's how you would set that arithmetic sequence up. Okay, so you would need something there. Let me put a to the 50 right here. Okay. This one right here, you have $2,000 and it's compounded daily. So daily you're going to be dividing by 365. Okay? So you got to do the formula for compound interest. All right, so let's see if we can find that real quick. Okay, so the formula is A is equal to the principal 1 plus R divided by N times, or to the N to the T power. All right, anyway, so you're investing $2,000, so you're going to put $2,000 in. It's going to be 1 plus the rate is 0.04, and then you're going to divide by N is compounded daily, so it's 365. And the N, again, is every day, 365. And then the T stands for time, so it's 3 years. So that's going to be a big problem there, and you'd have to use your calculator to figure it out. Let's talk about today's work. We're going to go right into 3.1 today. So I had to punt out of that chapter 2. Let's take a look here at example 1. Heather wants to purchase an electric guitar, and the price of the guitar and tax is at. If she can save $90, okay, the price of the guitar with the tax, that's the total, well, you would divide. You would just take 2240 divided by 90. It's going to take her about 25 months, and that is the solution. Now let's take a look at example 2. All right, Heather speaks to the salesperson at the music store who suggests that she buy the guitar in installment plan. If she puts down a required 15%, the remainder plus the finance charge is paid back on a monthly basis for the next 2 years. If the monthly payment is $875, what's the finance charge? Well, let's think about this. The guitar, let's see where that is 2240, and that's with tax. Okay, so this is example 2. Now, if she puts down the required 15%, okay, so that's going to be times 0.15. So 2240 times 0.15. So she's going to put down $336. So 2240 minus 336. So 2240. So that's 1904 is what she needs to finance. Okay, so she had to put down 15% down payment. And the monthly payment is 88. What's the finance charge? So principal equals, or interest equals principal times rate times time.